Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series. Today's topic is my country and my culture, where we'll learn to talk about where we come from, our traditions, and what makes our culture unique. In this easy and friendly conversation, Emma and Ryan will share stories about their countries, cultural habits, food, and festivals. You'll learn natural English expressions for describing your home country and talking about culture with confidence. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who are learning English. And tell us in the comments, what do you love most about your country? Alright, let's begin.
Hi Ryan. I've been curious. Where are you originally from?
Hey Emma, I'm from Canada, born and raised in Toronto.
Oh, Canada. That's such a beautiful country.
Thank you, yes. It's full of nature, lakes, and friendly people.
I've always wanted to visit. What's the weather like there?
It really depends on the season. Our winters are very cold, and summers are warm and lovely.
Sounds nice. I'm from the Philippines, where it's hot almost all year.
That must feel amazing, sunshine every day.
Yes, but sometimes it gets too hot. Still, people are cheerful and love outdoor life.
I've heard Filipinos are very friendly and welcoming.
That's true. We love making guests feel at home.
That's wonderful. In Canada, people are also polite and respectful.
I think that's why so many tourists enjoy visiting both countries.
Absolutely, friendly people make all the difference.
What's one thing you love most about your country?
Definitely the natural beauty, mountains, forests, and lakes everywhere.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. Nature is a big part of Canadian culture.
In the Philippines, we love beaches and islands. We have more than 7,000 of them.
Wow, that's incredible. Paradise for travelers.
Exactly. People love swimming, diving, and having picnics by the sea.
That sounds like the perfect lifestyle.
What's the national dish of Canada?
It's probably poutine, fries topped with cheese curds and gravy.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
It is, especially on cold days.
In the Philippines, our famous dish is adobo, made with chicken or pork, soy sauce, and vinegar.
I've tried it once. It's amazing.
Really? I'm glad you liked it.
Yes, the flavor is so unique, sweet, salty, and tangy all at once.
Food is a big part of our culture.
Same here. Food brings people together in every country.
Do you celebrate any special holidays in Canada?
Yes, Thanksgiving is one of the biggest. Families gather, eat together, and express gratitude.
That's beautiful. In my country, Christmas is our biggest celebration.
I've heard it starts very early there, like in September.
Haha, yes. We love decorating, singing, and celebrating for months.
That's so joyful. I'd love to experience that someday.
You should. It's full of food, lights, and laughter.
That's so joyful. I'd love to experience that someday.
Exactly. That's what makes the world so interesting.
Yes, learning about different cultures helps us understand people better.
What's one cultural habit in Canada that might surprise foreigners?
Maybe how polite we are. We say sorry for almost everything.
Haha, I've heard that joke before.
It's true. Even when someone bumps into us, we say sorry.
That's adorable.
It's just part of being considerate, I guess.
In my country, we greet everyone with a smile. It's our way of spreading warmth.
That's lovely. Smiles are universal.
Do people in Canada speak other languages besides English?
Yes, French is also an official language, especially in Quebec.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes, it gives Canada a nice bilingual identity.
In the Philippines, we speak Filipino and English, but there are many regional languages too.
That must make your culture so rich and diverse.
Yes, language connects people to their roots.
Very true. It's part of who we are.
What kind of traditional music do Canadians enjoy?
Folk and country music are popular, but we also love pop and rock.
I see. In my country, we love karaoke. Everyone sings even if they can't.
Haha, that's amazing. I've seen Filipino karaoke parties. They look so fun.
Yes, it's a must at every celebration.
Music really brings people together.
Do Do you have traditional clothes in Canada?
Not really, except for cultural festivals, but the indigenous people have beautiful traditional attire.
That's nice. In the Philippines, we have the Barong Tagalog and Filipiniana.
I've seen pictures, they look elegant and colorful.
Thank you. We wear them during formal events and national holidays.
That's wonderful, it keeps traditions alive.
Do you think young people still follow traditions in your country?
Some do, but modern life sometimes pulls them away.
Same here. Technology changes everything.
Yes, but culture always finds a way to stay alive.
That's true. Families play a big role in passing down traditions.
Exactly, parents and grandparents are the bridge between generations.
What's family life like in Canada?
Families are close, but children are encouraged to be independent early.
Interesting. In my country, families stay together even when kids are adults.
That's beautiful, family bonds are very strong in Asian cultures.
Yes, we value respect and care for elders.
That's something I truly admire.
Do Canadians spend a lot of time outdoors?
Absolutely, we love camping, skiing, and hiking. Nature is our playground.
That sounds so refreshing.
It is. Every season has something to offer.
In my country, people love going to the beach or playing basketball outdoors.
Basketball, that's huge in the Philippines, right?
Oh yes, it's like a national sport. Kids play it everywhere.
That's awesome. Sports really unite people.
What do Canadians usually do during weekends?
We relax, meet friends, go shopping, or spend time with family.
That's similar to us. Sundays are for family and food.
Sounds like a happy routine.
Definitely. Do you travel often within Canada?
Yes, the country is huge. There's always something new to see.
I'd love to visit Niagara Falls someday.
You must. It's breathtaking, especially at sunset.
What do people eat on special occasions?
Usually turkey, mashed potatoes, and desserts like pie.
Yum! We eat lechon, a roasted pig, for big celebrations.
That sounds delicious, very festive.
It is. Food always brings families together.
Same everywhere. Food equals love.
Do you celebrate national days?
Yes, Canada Day on July 1st, full of fireworks and parades.
Ours is June 12th, Independence Day. We have parades too.
That's amazing. Celebrations show national pride.
Exactly. It feels good to see everyone united.
Yes, patriotism connects people deeply.
What's something foreigners should know before visiting Canada?
Bring warm clothes and be ready for polite conversations.
That's so Canadian.
We can't help it. It's in our nature.
In my country, visitors should prepare for a lot of food. People will feed you non-stop.
That sounds like the best kind of hospitality.
You'll never leave hungry, that's for sure.
I love that. Food equals friendship.
How do you feel when you think of your country?
Proud and grateful. It shaped who I am today.
Same here. My culture taught me kindness and resilience.
That's beautiful, Emma.
Do you think it's important to preserve traditions?
Absolutely, they remind us of our identity and values.
Yes, they connect us to our history.
Exactly. Without culture, we'd feel lost.
How do schools in Canada teach culture?
Through history, festivals, and multicultural education.
That's nice. We also have cultural days where students wear traditional clothes.
That sounds so colorful and fun.
It really is. It keeps young people interested.
That's how traditions survive.
What values are most important in your culture?
Respect, honesty, and equality. We believe everyone deserves a fair chance.
Those are great values. In ours, we focus on family, faith, and hospitality.
That's what makes your culture so warm.
Thank you. What do you think makes Canada special?
It's diversity. Everyone belongs, no matter where they come from.
That's beautiful.
Yes, it's truly a multicultural home.
How do you celebrate cultural diversity?
Through festivals, food fairs, and national heritage days.
That sounds amazing.
It's like traveling the world without leaving the city.
I love that idea.
Culture brings color to everyday life.
Have you ever experienced culture shock abroad?
Yes, a few times, but it taught me patience and understanding.
That's true. Travel helps us grow.
Exactly, it broadens our perspectives.
Do you miss home when you travel?
Always, home food and family are irreplaceable.
Same here. No matter where I go, I miss rice and tropical fruits.
Haha, I get that comfort food means home.
What would you say represents your culture best?
Politeness, maple syrup, and ice hockey.
That's so Canadian.
I know, right? Simple but true.
For us, it's music, fiestas, and smiles.
That perfectly describes your country's joy.
Thank you. Do you think cultures influence each other now?
Definitely, globalization blends traditions beautifully.
Yes, and we can learn from each other.
Exactly, and diversity creates growth.
What advice would you give to someone moving to your country?
Be open, polite, and ready for winter.
Haha, good advice.
It's all you need to start fitting in.
For my country, I'd say, bring sunscreen and a big appetite.
Haha, sounds like paradise to me.
It really is. Come visit someday.
I'd love to. You'll be my guide.
Of course. I'll take you to beaches and fiestas.
That sounds like the best vacation ever.
What do you think unites all cultures?
Love, respect, and the desire to connect.
Beautifully said.
Thanks. I truly believe that.
Our world feels smaller when we understand each other.
Yes, kindness crosses every border.
Talking about culture makes me proud of where I'm from.
Same here, it reminds me of home.
We should celebrate differences, not fear them.
Absolutely, that's how peace begins.
What's your favorite cultural tradition?
Thanksgiving dinners, everyone together, sharing gratitude.
That's lovely. Mine is Christmas, full of joy and music.
Both bring families closer, and that's what matters most.
Exactly. At the end of the day, love is universal.
You said it perfectly.
I love learning about other cultures like yours.
You said it perfectly.
Thank you, Ryan. This was such a nice chat.
Same here, Emma. I really enjoyed it.
To everyone watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English conversations.
And tell us in the comments what's something special about your country.
Keep learning, stay curious, and be proud of your culture.
Well said, Emma.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you next time. Wherever you are in the world, celebrate your roots and keep practicing English.